Hello everyone, this is Nod and I'm back with another item tutorial video. And now this is going to be about a new release at Uber, which is going to be available at the main store after the event is over. This is the old Brooklyn Carousel by KraftWork. Once you open your pack, you are going to be given an item, of course, called the Kraftwerk Old Brooklyn Carousel. And when you rest, you're going to see something like this. And this is the base of the carousel, and everything that you need is going to work through this base. So the items and also the menu to activate the carousel, to rest the parts, to play music, to not play music, and everything that you need. This is not my final item because we are still working on a script to make the lights animated. So maybe when you receive your final item, you're going to see animated lights and maybe options to control these lights on the menu. But so far, I wanted to record this video in advance, so as soon as you get your item, you can take a look at the video and easily set up. There's also an instruction note card that you can take a look at, but I know that videos are often easier to so many people. So let's see how it works. Anywhereas and you get this base, you are going to want to click this item and you'll be given this menu that you can start a carousel, you can raise the parts, you can say do not play music at all, always play music when you're stopped, and play music when it's spinning only. Okay, so the very first thing that you want to do is you want to raise the parts of your carousel. So let's do it. And there you have your carousel parts. Um, then you to start the carousel, you really only have to click the base again and click start. And you're probably listening to the music on the background. This is an owner menu only. If your friend is trying to ride a carousel or any other person, they're going to only be able to start and stop. And if you have the music set up to play when it's spinning, they're going to be able to listen to the music. So that menu is exclusive to the owners of the carousel. I'm going to stop by clicking and I'll talk a little bit about the seating areas of the carousel. This carousel can seat up to 8 avatars, being 2 at the center, 2 at the blue balloon, 2 at the red balloon, 2 and 1 horse, and 2. I'm sorry, 1 and 1 horse, and another avatar, and then at the other horse. Uh, so you can target which area of the carousel you want to see. So say you want to sit and ride standing, you will want to click the very central part. The central part has a stand ride animation, and you can swap between this pole here in the front and the one at the back. Okay, so that's all it does, the central part. But now let's say you wanna ride a balloon with your friend or with your partner. So you can click the balloon and you're gonna be target there to the blue balloon, or no, I wanna sit at the red one. Okay, you're going to be targeted to the red one. Let's zoom here. And then you're gonna be given 6 options for friends and 3 options for lovers. So I'll just change my avatar real quick here. Positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the friends which can be used as a solo as well. And then you have the lovers. I'm alone. I have nobody here. Poor me to try these poses with me. But anyways, lovers one, lovers two, and lovers three. And you can see swap pose, and you have your partner's pose. So let me stand up, and I'll show you now the horses. So the horses work the same way. You can either seat on this one, or you can target and seat on the other one. Well, let's try this one. Okay, each horse comes with four animations. So this is the princess one. Then you have the speedy one, which is kind of funny. You will be floating in the air. And then you have the playful one, which is another type of riding. And you have the last animation right there. So basically, that's how the animations work for the carousel. And now the last thing is moving the carousel around. So you rest your base. Let me stand up. You rest your base, but you don't like the position. So, what am I going to do? KraftWork made it so I move the base and everything else is not moving. Ah, it's broken. Well, no, it's not broken. It's very easy. You, as the owner, can go back to your menu by clicking that base and ask the carousel to raise the parts again. And all the parts are going to be back in place. Also, let's say you want to raise this carousel very far away from where you are. Another option that you have is you can delete the parts. It's copying, so and everything is inside of the carousel, so it doesn't matter if you delete. Move the base to the other area that you want in your land. Click the base again and rest the parts. So as I said, we are still working on the lights. I'm not sure if you're going to have time, if it's going to work. It was a last minute decision. So maybe when the lights are activated this menu, it's going to change a little bit. I don't know. The scripter is working, but let's hope he gets it done because it's going to be very cool to have a few light effects here. And I hope you can have a very wide idea how this works. If you have any doubts, you can IM me. I'm very available. I'm all the time online and I can help you with any trouble that you may be having. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.